Ascorbic acid, otherwise known as vitamin C, is an organic acid which naturally occurs as a clear solid and is soluble in water. In high concentrations, it may irritate skin and eyes. If inhaled, it may cause coughing and a sore throat, but that is not a worry in this reaction as gaseous ascorbic acid is not produced. Dehydroascorbic acid is found naturally inside humans and acts as antivirals inside our bodies. It is relatively harmless. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid which is quite harmful in high concentrations and amounts. However, in this reaction, there is a very minimal amount of hydrochloric acid produced, and at a low concentration. It can irritate skin and damage your respiratory system if inhaled in these high concentrations. Pure water is formed in this reaction. Therefore, the pH is 7, or neutral. It is completely harmless. I performed an experiment to prove that ascorbic acid truly neutralizes chlorine. I dissolved 20 grams of solid ascorbic acid with 50 milliliters of room temperature water to produce an aqueous solution of ascorbic acid. The chlorine indicator registered 0 parts per million of chlorine in the ascorbic acid solution. Then, in a separate beaker, I poured 20 grams of chlorinated granules and I dissolved it in 150 milliliters of water to create an aqueous solution of hypochlorous acid. The chlorine indicator registered 8.4 parts per million of chlorine in the hypochlorous acid. Finally, I measured the neutralized mixture with the chlorine indicator, which registered 0 parts per million of chlorine. This proves that the ascorbic acid is able to neutralize all the chlorine. My innovation will help OHIP as it will decrease the number of chlorine-related issues they have to deal with. Also, it will encourage people to visit the pool more, thereby helping pool companies as well.